what?
Cauldron.
And it's from Tractor Supply, and we are gonna do unboxing. And there's a thing, so it just holds the thing. Don't fall under here. Watch. Don't really fall. Don't really bend over and fall. So, and this is gonna come out. And look, it comes with this Cauldron thing. It's like wind, so it would like it's a spell. So we'll smell it. I think I smell it a little bit. Okay. And it smells like pumpkin pie. Smell it.
That's funny.
Smell it. Do you want to smell it, Dada?
Yeah.
And it's a wax melt from Tractor Supply.
Oh, okay. Wax milk.
And this is the base, so you got to take the base thing, pops off, and then that's it. And then we gonna get it now, and there got to be a candle under here to make it warm like this. Watch, and then put one in here, and then the base. It's all done, and then it's all done, but you got to light this, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Why pretend?
Put it in there?
Uh-huh.
All right. And then it'll melt.
Let's watch it. We will come back when it's melting. How it works, it has a base, so the candle, how it works, so the more it gets bigger, the more it gets like hotter. So it gets hotter when it gets bigger. So this is little, so it gets bigger, so it gets hotter. So this is gonna melt it, and this is if it melts, is what like it's gonna be like a potion. Okay. Look, guys, it melted. Don't touch the bottom of it. I'm just touching the wire.
Okay.
Okay. And it's black. I thought it was gonna be blue, green. Okay. Okay.
Smells good though.
Hot. It smells hot. It's good. Looks good. $12.99 and pretty good deal. And do you want to see my next video of my on it?
Yes.